Best Riding, Lawnmowers. Hi, this is Jane. Today I will discuss about riding lawnmowers. A riding lawnmower isn't only a powerful machine for mowing your lawn, but also gives the convenience to complete this job in a seating position. This easy-to-operate equipment has changed the maintenance criteria, and make it hassle-free, to mow large properties. Here, our team will present a list of top 10 best riding lawn mowers to choose from. Each pick is added after proper testing and research, as we understand it is a costly investment, and that's why we don't want to create any room for a mistake. List of best riding lawn mowers review. Product link in the description below. 10. Husqvarna YTH24K48, best budget-friendly pick. 9. Ryobi riding lawnmower, Ry 48111, best battery electric riding lawnmower. 8. Swisher Z31 KT Pro, front tractor, best for smoother control. 7. Husqvarna Z242F0, turn riding mower, best under $3,000. 6. Husqvarna LTH1738, best for small yards. 5. Snapper 291155 BVE rear engine, best rear engine riding lawnmower. 4. Troy-Bilt Briggs & Stratton, automatic riding lawnmower, best for flat terrain. 3. Husqvarna YTA24V48, mower, best for quick transmission. 2. Craftsman T225 riding lawnmower, editor's choice. 1. Troy-Bilt Neighborhood riding lawnmower, editor's choice. Product link in the description below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.